That's the new multi-storey car park there. Not very exciting talking about car parks, is it? But I suppose it is important for the city. Got to have park. The performers are amazing. Absolutely. Down the lane on the right-hand side, there's the Riverside Market. There's wonderful stores in this first week. That gave them a very big front. About half of that in a couple of days. All sorts of things. That was one of the great successes of 2019, the opening of Riverside Market. The frontages, everything else is gone, and it's completely different and behind, just the front. It's lovely to have just a little bit of the old city still here with us today. Tram stop number 6. If you're going quite a few buildings that aren't like that. Another iconic one is the old government house building in Rotorua. In the gardens there. There's a beautiful...
We're in the junction at the moment waiting for the restaurant train to go.
But it does make quite an amusing story in the pub. So if you want to have a beer after it's so modern. It's very classy. It's very steely. It is very different to what it used to be. If you rebuild everything exactly the same as it was, you don't really move on as a society. We didn't ask for this to happen, but now that it has, we have to grasp, make the most of the opportunity we have been given here. Lovely just to have a little bit of the old city here, just on the right-hand side. Just the facade there, dating back to the early 1900s. There was so much new here, for example. Those you can never get used to them. Well, they're actually closed for the evening. There's still a bar open there if you like. They'll be opening in time. And this was actually the home of our university once upon a time, the second university to be established. 1873, the University of Canterbury started here. 1978, the Art Centre took form after the university moved out. And there's some beautiful craft items, and you can still go punting if you have a booking. Just down the 3 minutes down to the left-hand side. The museum is now closed.